Hello my dear students, welcome to the Logic Gates second video lecture. Before going to see this video lecture, glance the concept of basic logic gates that will helps you to understand the next concepts well. In this video lecture, I am interested to discuss the concept on derived gates, universal gates and the circuit diagrams. Move on to the derived gates. Derived gates are the gates constructed using the basic gates. Derived gates are further classified into four types: NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Move on to the first type of derived gates is the NOR gate. It is also called as inverted OR gate, means complement of OR gate, nothing but an OR gate. NOR gate receives two or more input signals and produce only one output signal. If both the inputs are low, on that case the output is high. Consider an example. A and B are the two input for the NOR gate. A and B are 0 here, means a low. On that case the output is high, means 1. Otherwise the output is low in the case of NOR gate. This is the symbolic representation for the NOR gate. OR gate followed by NOT gate. Here the circle represent a NOT gate. OR gate followed by NOT gate, nothing but an OR gate. If A and B are the two input for the NOR gate, A plus B whole bar is the output. NOR gate ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು OR gate ನ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗಳು 0 ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲದ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ better understanding, compare the result of OR gate with the NOR gate. You will get a clarity. The output of OR gate is A plus B, but the output of NOR gate is A plus B whole bar, means complement of A plus B is A plus B bar. The output value of NOR gate is 0 1 1 1. The complement of this is 1 0 0, means the complement of OR gate helpful to get the NOR gate. The next type of derived gate is NAND gate. NAND gate is also called as inverted AND gate, means complement of AND gate, nothing but NAND gate. Here the NAND gate receives two or more input signals and produce only one output signal. If all the inputs are high, on that case the output is low, otherwise the output is high in the case of NAND gate. This is the symbolic representation for the NAND gate. AND gate followed by NOT gate, nothing but a NAND gate. If A and B are the two input for the NAND gate, A dot B whole bar represent the output. NAND gate ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗಳು ಹೈ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಲೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಹೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಬಾರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು NAND ಗೇಟಿನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೆಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, compare the AND gate with the NAND gate. Here A, B are the two inputs for the AND gate. A dot B is the output, but in the case of NAND gate, A dot B whole bar is the output. Means the complement of AND gate helpful to get the NAND gate. This is the truth table representation for the NAND gate. Move on to the third type of derived gate is the XOR gate. XOR gate is also called as exclusive OR gate. It is different than the OR gate. It accepts two or more input signals and produce only one output signal. The output of XOR gate is 1 if there are odd number of ones in the input signal. otherwise the output is low. Means if it consisting of even number of ones in the case of input, on that time the output is low, means 0. ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is the symbolic representation for the XOR gate. If A and B are the two input for the XOR gate, A plus within a circle followed by B is the output for the XOR gate. Then move on to the next type of derived gates is the XNOR gate. XNOR gate is also called as inverted XOR gate, means complement of XOR gate, nothing but a XNOR gate. It accepts 2 or more input signals and produce only one output signal. Here the output of XNOR gate is low if it consisting of odd number of ones and the inputs are in even number of ones. On that case output is high. ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is the symbolic representation for the XNOR gate, means XOR gate followed by NOT gate, nothing but XNOR gate. A and B are the two input for the XNOR gate. The output is A XOR B whole bar. Up to this point you studied the concept regards to the symbolic representation of different types of gates and the truth table. Then move on to the next concept, that is universal gates. Universal gates are the gates using which all the basic gates can be designed. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೇಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದರೆ ಅಂತಹ ಗೇಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 types of universal gate, NAND gate and the NOR gate. Means using the NAND gate and NOR gate we can construct the basic gates like NOT gate, AND gate and the OR gate. Move on to the NAND gate. You will get a question on this concept in your examination. The question may be like this: construct the basic gates using the universal NAND gate. By using single NAND gate possible to construct the NOT gate. Pass the input A twice to the NAND gate. You will get a bar into a bar. According to Idempoten's law, a bar into a bar equal to a bar. In the Boolean algebra chapter you need to study some of the laws. In that case you get a clarity regards to this. At this point of time remember the thing, a bar into a bar equal to a bar. Observe the output now. A is the input, a bar is the output. According to the NOT gate, if A is the input, a bar is the output. The next step is to construct the AND gate through the NAND gate. Pass 2 inputs A and B to the first NAND gate. You will get an output like A dot B whole bar. Pass this A dot B whole bar twice to the another NAND gate. You will get output like A and B. Compare the inputs with the output now. A, B are the 2 inputs to the NAND gate. You will get A dot B, means A, B are the 2 inputs. A dot B is the output, means it acts like an AND gate. Using 2 NAND gate possible to get the AND gate. Move on to the third case. By using 3 NAND gates possible to construct the OR gate. Pass the input A twice to a NAND gate. You will get the inverse of this, means A bar. Consider the another NAND gate. Pass the input as B twice. You will get B bar. Act like a NOT gate. Now pass this A bar and B bar as input to the third NAND gate. You will get output like A bar into B bar whole bar. The output of A bar into B bar whole bar is A plus B. Then compare the input with the output. A, B are the two inputs for the NAND gate. You will get an answer like A plus B. If A and B are the two inputs, A plus B is the output, means it acts like an OR gate. By using the NAND gates only possible to construct the basic gates. That's why NAND gate is called as an universal gate. Next type universal gate is the NOR gate. By using NOR gate possible to construct the basic gates. That's why it is called as an universal gate. Consider a NOR gate. Pass the input A twice. You will get a result A bar plus A bar. A bar plus A bar equal to A bar according to idempotency law. Compare the input with the output now. A is the input, A bar is the output. It means act like a NOT gate. Then by using 3 NOR gates possible to get the AND gate. Pass A twice to the NOR gate, you will get A bar as an output. Pass B twice to the another NOR gate, you will get B bar as an output. Pass A bar and B bar to the third NOR gate, you will get an output like A bar plus B bar whole bar. This is equal to the A into B. Compare the input with the output now. If A and B are the input for the NOR gates, A dot B is the output, means it acts like an AND gate. Move on to the third case. Pass two inputs A and B to the NOR gate. You will get an output like A plus B whole bar. Pass twice this output as an input to the second NOR gate. You will get the output like A plus B. Compare the input with the output now. If A and B are the two input for the NOR gates, you will get A plus B as an output. On that case, it acts like an OR gate. By using the NOR gate, possible to construct these types of basic gate. I think you confirmed with how to construct the basic gates using the universal gate. In the next video shortly, I will continue with the concepts of circuit diagram.